What's up, my YouTube family? Okay, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below. This is yours truly, Terry D, the one and only motivational speaker who put God first. I am the CEO of my company. Okay, I am 28. I'm located in Norman, OKC. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about the support and the resistance, okay? A lot of people have been asking about my 20 EMA as well, so we're going to shortly cover that or talk about that. So let's just get straight into the video. So Euro USD, okay, it's one of my favorite pairs. If you watch a lot of my videos, you see I talk about Euro USD a lot. I mean, a lot, okay? So one thing I want you guys to realize about the support and resistance is you have to know where is your high and your low. So first thing you do is you zoom all the way out, okay? Let me move this up right quick. So you zoom all the way out, okay? And so you're looking for your high. So right here, get my line here. So this would be a high, okay? And it hasn't been as high in a long time. So this would be your resistance zone. So this would be a high. This one right here would be a high, but we're gonna go further down the line, okay? So this would be the high, a high, and then it tried to push up back to this high, and then it shot back down to support. So looking at this right now, this right here would be our resistance zone to the current moment, okay? This would be a resistance. Let me actually shift this over right quick, okay? So this will be resistance, this will be resistant, and then this down here is support. So the reason why we draw our horizontal lines the way we do is because it's telling us where did the market retest, okay? The support and resistance is kind of a really big, great indicator whenever you are trading in the market, okay? You draw your horizontal lines and your trend lines, and if it breaks them, then you know what to do, okay? You're looking for touches, okay? So first off, as you can tell, I got my line drawn here. So this was a touch. This is a touch. So this would be my resistance zone. It tried to come back and touch this resistance zone, which is about 2-3 weeks ago, and then it shot down, okay? And then here, this is actually, so the reason why I have this right here, this technically is in a resistance zone, but this would be the high since last week, okay? So I draw my line here to let me know that, okay, this was a resistance zone where it tried to push up and shot back down. So this let me know that if it breaks through this, then it's gonna continue up. But since it didn't, it continued down, okay? And now to explain the support, hold on. So support is, let's see, this would be my support zone, okay? So I actually have a couple of support zones drawn out on this chart, but on Euro USD, so this right here is the support zone, okay? And actually, I think earlier during this week, it actually broke this. Let me see. There's a line here. I'm pretty sure it's about right. I think it's about right here, okay? I think it's about, yeah, about right here. And then today it broke it, okay? Let me actually move this for y'all, okay, so you can see it. All right, there we go. Okay, so I had this line drawn out, okay? Let me see, make sure I got it right for y'all so y'all not confused. Give me 1 second. Okay, there we go. So that's not perfect, but I'm pretty sure you guys get the gist of it. But anyways, as you guys can tell, this broke support, okay? This broke the support zone, okay? Man, it's giving me some issues. I'll give me a second. Okay, so this is the support zone right here. Okay, these are the touches, okay? You guys can see here that it broke through support. So that let me know today I'm gonna go ahead and place a sell. And it's actually happened last night in our sleep. So I'm pretty sure this was 12 o'clock to about London session. And then this morning, it just continued down, okay? Whenever you're using support and resistance, or whenever you're looking for sniper entry points, okay, you always come down to the lower time frames. But this is my resistance zone here, and this is my support zone. So when I woke up woke up this morning and seen that this had broke, I said, man, this is about to continue to drop. And it might finish the week off to this support zone here at the 1.16128. Okay. This is the next support zone right here. Okay. And I'll be honest with you guys. What I did was I came down to the M15 and I was just watching how it's respecting my 20 exponential moving average. Okay, look, every time it touched the 20, it shot down. I said this before and I say it again. Whenever you're using a 20 exponential moving average, what you're looking for is you're looking for it to touch the line and come back down. Okay, it's like when you're running track, right? You're hugging that line, you're hugging that line, and you're hugging that line, because if you touch that line at an actual state track meet, you're disqualified. Okay, and this is what happens here. Every time it tried to break through this line, it was disqualified and it said, no, I want to continue in this race, so it shot back down. Okay, see, did it here again. It tried to get disqualified or try to shoot through this line and it shot back down. Okay, and this kind of let me know that overall your USD is going to continue to go down. Okay, you see how this 20, let me see if I can get a perfect example for you guys right quick. Let me make sure y'all learn this. Do this. Okay, so when did this break? Okay, you see how my red is my 20, by the way. So when my red crossed my 50 and 200 on the M15, and you see this right here, this gap right here, you see how this gap right here, this lets you know that Euro USD is about to continue down. Okay, let me zoom in a little. Let me see. So I think it tried to shoot back above the 50, right? So that's why we seen this little bit of retrace up here, but then it finally dropped, and when it dropped, okay? And let me actually, and hold on. So let me actually point this out too. So if you're looking at my 20 EMA on the H4, I always analyze the market on H4. If you're looking at it on the H4, the 20 EMA crossed the 50 and the 200 here as well. And as you guys can tell, it is really respecting it, just like it's respecting it on the M15. Okay, I mean, it's literally hugging. Hugging the 20 exponential moving average. So that's how I knew to place a sale last night and continue to place more sales this morning. Okay, I use my support and resistance zones. I use my 20 exponential moving average, and I just kept placing sales and winning. Okay, like I said, it hasn't been this high since October 8th, which was Friday, and obviously it was kind of hugging this high, and then it finally dropped. Okay, and then it looked like it tried to shoot back up a little bit, and then it drops. Okay, then my support zone is drawn out right here. So obviously this morning I seen that it had broke the support, right? Then I said, man, this looks like it's about to continue down. And well, you know, it continued down. And that's why the support and resistance lines are so powerful, okay? Even if you don't look at nothing else, okay? You're looking for touches when you're using a support and resistance, okay? So you see touch, touch. You see this line? You draw a straight line across. You see all these touches here, okay? Even whenever it's down here, this was a touch shot down, okay? And it continued down. Then it finally broke through the support and headed back to a retest or resistance zone, and then shot down. I mean, you guys follow me, okay? Support and resistance is very important, just like my 20 exponential moving average. For those that want to know how to get to 20, you come to insert, indicators, trend, moving average, okay? And then you got the 20 exponential. I make it red because I feel like the 20 exponential moving average is so well respected, so I want it to be as big and as alert. I want to make it like an alert sound or alert, you know, sign, whatever the case may be. Anyways, you're tongue tie, but that's what I do. Then I make it really big, okay, for you guys that have trouble seeing those little bitty lines. I use the big line so I can honestly see how it's being respected Again, the 20 exponential moving average, the support or resistance is really one of my main indicators that I use. This week was a great week, and I'm hoping that this video was very, 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 very informative to you. If you want to know more about the 20 exponential moving average, I do have another video on my YouTube channel, okay? I do have another video on my YouTube channel, but this video is mainly to show you guys the support and resistance, okay? Remember, this is the resistance zone up here. This is the support down here, okay? You're looking for touches up here, okay? If it breaks through, then you obviously need to look for a second resistance zone. If it breaks through down here, you're looking for a second resistance zone. I mean, support zone, okay? So if it shoots up here and it breaks, you're looking for another resistance zone. But if it doesn't, if it retests this up here and it shoots back down, then that's letting you know, okay, it tried to shoot through my resistance zone, it retested it, and it said, no, 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 I'm not ready to go up yet. So what did it do? It dropped back down to support, and that's how we made our money this week. But again, like this video, share this with your friends. Like I said, I am doing a special on my prices. I can teach you how to win. I can teach you how to grow. I can teach you how to trade, okay? And so hopefully this video is very informative to you. And remember, like I always say, remember to put God first, and everything else will work itself out. Peace.